Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. In this tutorial, we will walk through the step-by-step process of designing a 3D pipe elbow in SolidWorks. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and will cover essential tools and techniques. Project Overview. Pipe elbow specifications. Diameter, 20 inches. NPT schedule, 40. Input coordinates, 0, 0. Output coordinates, x 45 inches, y 40 inches. Let's get started. Step-by-step instructions. Start by sketching the input and output coordinates on the front plane. X is 45 inches, y is 40 inches. Bend radius calculation. Bend radius equals 1.5 times pipe diameter equals 1.5 times 20 equals 30. Bend diameter equals 30 times 2 equals 60 inches. Draw a circle with a diameter of 60 inches to represent the bend radius. Ensure the circle is tangent to both horizontal and vertical lines. Add 4 tangent lines to the circle to create the center line of the pipe. Apply dimensions and set angles of 15 degrees and 30 degrees. Using Weldments tool, navigate to Weldments structural member. Select the pipe profile with a 20-inch diameter. Apply the Weldments tool to create the pipe structure. And the final step, adding chamfers for welding. Use the chamfer tool. Review the model to ensure it meets specifications. Congratulations! You've successfully created a pipe elbow in SolidWorks that meets all requirements. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more SolidWorks content. See you in the next video.